Shots, Audrey.
Man, fuck, I don't know any German politicians. What the fuck? All right, Ev, ready? Name 3 toys for a pool or bathtub. Go.
You got the Kentucky, motherfucking toy ship, and we going.
And you're gonna take it down.
That hurt.
Name 3 comedy movies. Go.
Comedy fucking movie, Dead Django, fucking Big Mama House, fucking Friday, motherfucker. Suck it.
Third one is take that shot.
Ah!
Third one is take that shot.
Fuck! 5 seconds.
It hurts. Name 3 national parks. Go.
Sweetwater Club Drive.
Fucking Six Flags. You fucking some of these fucking streets.
Okay. I'm not drinking.
Oh, you taking them big shots.
I'm not
Ooh.
drinking any more of that.
Riley, how you know? You know that I'm walking with it on it. I say stomp him. Then that's when they stepping on your helmet. I say stretch him. Push it next to them. Hold on. We got Manny Fresh in the building. Yeah, I'm drunk in this bitch. Stop. Yeah.
Bentley.
Yeah. We got Manny Fresh in the building, y'all.
Manny Fresh. Platinum. Everybody get your
Motherfucking roll on. Everybody get your roll on. Everybody get your roll on. What? Okay.
Everybody get your motherfucking roll.
Right up, it is.
Make nothing out of something.
He is so ghetto.
Your baby did.
Okay, throw that West Coast shit up, kid. Okay, then, kid. We got the West Coast niggas in the building. Throw that shit up, kid. Yeah.
No, Daddy, you singing us too hard.
Swing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ain't no slowing down. We going fast like.
No fast.
Sir, Valentine's. Yeah, that's 25 bands right there.
Oh my God.
That's Shanae bird case for you bird assholes. That's 24 karat gold right there. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's 25,000 on the Chanel bag. You dig what I'm saying? It's the bird case to keep you birds. You gonna hurt you road bitches in there. You dig? Yeah, ain't no capping me, baby. Yeah. We gonna catch you bird bitches with this Shanae right here. Shanae, 24K gold. Yeah, eat that up.